Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So guys, deep breath. I cannot believe that the Prime Minister of Canada has resigned, has stepped down. Like, this is so shocking to me. It's been a couple of days and I'm just like, why? Like, why? I was like watching the news and couldn't even believe it. I was just like, real? Is this like real news? Oh my goodness. So he has resigned. He's stepping down as leader of the Liberal Party. And under this government, it has done a lot for immigrants. Like, that's why most of the Canadians are like bashing against Trudeau and everything, because he really opened the door, a lot of doors for immigrants, right? So as you guys can see in a couple of my last videos, since last year, November, I think November 4 or 5th, a lot of new laws, immigration laws, and lots of new changes has come in. One change that came just a couple days or a week ago was that they are no longer doing the grandparent visa. Before they were doing the grandparent visa where you could get your parents up and they could stay up to 2 to 5 years here. Okay. They said for 2025, they're not doing any of that kind of application. Zero. And I was just like, oh my goodness, because I've been wanting it to do that for my mom because she just has a regular visa. And no, I've waited and that is out the window. So I'm very sad about that as well. There's gonna be so many changes, you know, and if the Liberal Party doesn't win and doesn't go back in, it's gotta be so hard for immigrants, trust me, because the opposition party, conservative, they are cutting back a lot on immigration. They're the one who put out most of these things um last year, and put pressure on these things to stop this, stop that, stop this, and cut this, cut that. Like a lot of cuts on international students as well. Lots of cuts on visas. Even like if you have your visa right now, once it's expired, that's it. They're no longer giving out the 10-year visa. If you apply for a visa, you most likely will get like 1 year, like a single entry, no longer multiple entry, like 10 years or so on, which is like crazy. So yeah, so now that my prime minister is out of the office, I'm saying my prime minister as if I ever voted. I've never voted, guys, because when I came here from Jamaica, I was like 18 years old. So I never voted in Jamaica. I never voted in Canada because I just got my citizenship last year. And I don't know if you could vote before with your permanent residency, but I know that you have to be a citizen in order to vote. So me just able to vote, guys. I will be voting in the next election for sure. Okay. So the next election will be my first time voting at 30 something years old. But yes, a lot has changed. Somebody was telling me that before you could vote as a permanent residency, but I didn't really look into that. I am not sure. I know that my older sister was telling me that when she first came here, they used to go to the state with just their permanent residency. Okay. But then after 9/11, if you're a permanent residency of Canada, you need a visa to go to America. Like right now, you need a visa if you're a permanent residency. You have to be a citizen to like just show them your passport and go across the border. But if you're a permanent residency, you definitely need to apply for a visa to go across there. So a lot of stuff has changed over the years, for sure. Even before I came here to Canada. And yeah, but this one here with the Prime Minister stepping down is like a really big shock to me. I really thought he was going to stay in there and let the people decide, but you know, I guess he's doing this for Canada, because everybody's saying step down, step down, step down. I don't know if it was peer pressure or bully or whatever, but he really stepped down. And I love Trudeau, and a lot of people don't love him, but respect to Mr. Justin Trudeau. He did a lot, a lot, a lot, a lot for immigrants in this country. So, because I know that immigrants come and they come and sit on the system and pressure the system. Some do that, but we can't use the same oil to fry everybody, right? Because you have immigrants here who has been working ever since they got their status, their papers, or anything in Canada, right? I know if you know Jamaicans, tell me which Jamaican you know that have one job, right? Most Jamaicans here, most Caribbean people, they have two, three jobs, working, 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 double all the time, making their money and stuff, right? There's not every immigrant who comes here to sit on the system, okay? But I do understand that the ones that do come do affect the system for sure.
No. Trump is taking a whole lot of praises for Trudeau's resignation. Okay, he's saying it's because of him and this and that and blah 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 and that. No, Canada should merge with America. Do you believe that? Big old Canada must become another state of America. That is just crazy. Just I don't know how he come up with these things, but like, yeah, that I don't see that happening ever. No, not at all. Not at all, at all, at all. That is just crazy for a big country like Canada who supply America with so much energy and electricity and all these stuff that they give, that they supply to America. That no, we should just merge and become a state of America. This would be madness, eh? Madness, mad. You know how America always um make fun of Canadians. Now this would just be a really, really, really big joke on Canada, like a big, 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 big joke. No, we cannot have it. We cannot have it. I don't know why Justin Trudeau resigned. Because if it was me like him, they would have to use a crane to take me out. Yes, let the people them vote me out, but I would not come out. Okay.
So I hope you guys have a good day. If you like my video, stay tuned for more, guys. Okay, like and subscribe. Bye.